Over my time as a YouTuber, which has been about a year, I've accumulated a lot of sound effects. So today, I'm gonna use them all in one video. Alright, new plan. We're only gonna do sound effects. I just want to know what this sounds like. This is more for me. I'm just gonna start layering them on top of each other now. Dude, I forgot about the bang sound effect. God, that thing is... God, this is a fucking war crime. Oh, shit. I have to stop it there. Oh, oh no. That is fucking hilarious. It is so astronomically loud. God. I'm gonna try to match them all up so they're like the same distance. Alright, so there's about 7 sounds gonna be playing at once. So let's hear it. I fucking can't with this. No. God, that was so fun. Now I want to do something else, but this is gonna take a while. Give me a second, guys. Alright, I've done it. So every single sound is gonna play at once, and there's 97 of them. God, that's so fucking loud. Oh. One more time for the audience. God, that was so fucking loud. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. If you like what you see, please subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Later.